Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm on vacation, so I'll be doing a get ready with me vacation. It's a lot different than my regular everyday makeup. Don't use as many products. I'm a lot more tan than I normally am. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to kind of get ready with me on vacation. And I'm super burnt, as you can see, really painful. So let's try to cover up this burn, pimples, vacation look. I brought my beauty blender, obviously. So I'm gonna dampen it a little bit. I already moisturized my whole face and my under eyes. My hair's crazy. This vacation hair, I can't deal with it. The humidity, poofiness. And you'll see my boyfriend in the back. He just ironed his shirt. You're so dark. So what I've been doing is I've been going in with my darker foundation that I brought. It's the Lancome Hydra Zen BB Cream in the shade medium. This is also a little too light for me, but it's what I have to work with. So usually I do a huge lump on the back of my hand, but I don't really want so much full coverage on vacation. So I use like this amount, very little, and I put it on my face and I just blend out.
Where's my gel?
Do you want to do a get ready with me also?
Hey, this is, hey. This is how you style your hair. First of all, you want to make sure that it's, going the same direction you want it to. Take your hair wax, whatever product you use, you rub it in nicely. Okay. And then you just go.
I can just step aside and just,
But first, it's gonna be all white.
What? I've never seen him do this.
As you go into it, and you really mix the product in there, you can see it kind of goes in. So, I do that. Looks good.
Okay, moving on. We don't have so much time. I don't have time to let him record his whole hair salon. Looks great. You look great.
Comment, rate, subscribe.
You look amazing. So a little trick, you're gonna have to turn that tap off.
Oh guys, one last step for today. Take your comb just to perfect it. Yeah.
I quickly learned that I cannot be using my concealer because it's way too light. Okay, so thank God I brought my regular foundation. We're a little drunk. This is a little drunk. I'm wearing a shirt, by the way. It looks like I'm naked. My regular foundation for my concealer, because this is a fuller coverage than the BB cream I wore, it kind of works. Again, I put it on the back of my sponge, dab it under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead, and then the rest I just leave on my wrist for later. And then, as I would my concealer, I use that into my foundation.
How can I help you? Stay when you're speaking.
So that's a little trick. If you're on vacation and your concealer is way too light for you, bring your regular foundation, but always, always, always have a darker foundation in case you can. Eden! I can't.
It's your mom.
Okay, can you not yell? He's like talking to my mom, pretending he's like a Spanish worker. If you can hear him. Leave it only on the center of your forehead, under your eyes, on your chin, and on your under eyes. This is the quickest get ready with me like I'll ever make in my life. Gonna blend the rest in with my fingers.
Okay, let's pop it in the pool.
So now you have to set that because it's so humid here. 5 minutes. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can you plug in my hair straightener?
¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que?
You've never been on a YouTube video of mine.
Hey guys, how are ya? That's all I got.
Okay. So this is where I normally set. I get smile lines. I put it down here, under my eyes, on my chin.
Fucking smile line.
My battery's about to die. This has to be even quicker than it is. Then I leave that. Doing my usual. This is in my crease. This is in my lid. That's all I'm doing. 2 colors. I literally pick up any brush from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one looks great. There's brown on it. Who gives a shit? Called Buon Fresco. Buon Fresco? I have no fucking idea. I know, I put that in the crease. It's like a mauve pink. And then with my finger, I go in with this shade called Vermeer. Vermeer? Yeah, just shave. Just like have shaving noise in the background of my video. That's fine.
Alright guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to shave.
The most important part, we're gonna take this off. You take a smaller brush, and I go in with this called Red Ochre, and I put it on the outside here. So I need to blend it all together. Then, eyebrows. Benefit, foolproof. I have a little Sephora brush from like 2 years ago, the holiday collection. Maybe even 3 years, 4 years now. Lightly fill in my brows because my hair gets a lot lighter in the sun. I don't want my eyebrows as dark. Bronzer's next. A big fluffy brush. Stuck in my cheekbone. And I go down. I brought a mini Becca. This is in the shade Shimmering. Nope. What's the shade? It's just called Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed. Oh my god, champagne pop. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have this in the big version, but they gave me a little sample version, so. Can't find my brush, using my finger. Put it over here and blend. Other side. On my nose. Upper lip. Last but not least is blush. Going in, the brush just fell out. And that's my makeup. Quick, easy, very, very,
Beautiful.
very natural. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, right?
Yep.
Thank you guys for watching my quick get ready with me on vacation featuring.
And if you have any more questions regarding my hair, reach out to me. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, MySpace. You know, I'll let you know how to get that perfect comb over.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Okay.